Hi, my name is Victory and I'm a software developer at Garfield. Today, I'll be doing a demo and a walkthrough of our new billing page and wallet functionalities. When you come onto the application now, you find that we have a new billing tab, and that billing tab houses our wallet and our invoices tab. On the wallet tab, we're giving you new ways to fund your account and pay for your chasers and documents. The first is a top up, which is a one time wallet top up where we have pre-selected some amounts for you like 100, 250, 500 and 1,000. But you can also choose to select a custom amount, and we're giving you three ways to do that one time top up: a card, a bank transfer, and a direct debit. For this first demo, I'll go with the card option and do a custom top up of a £50. My top up is now complete, and as you can see, I have a new transaction and my wallet balance has increased by £50. We also have an invoice, and those invoice would come with an invoice URL so that you can download your invoices immediately. Same as a transaction receipt, which we've generated as soon as we've completed your transaction. The next is to show you how to do a recurring or a subscription based top up. Same as before, we have pre-selected amounts, and for this demo, I'll do a direct debit with a frequency of weekly. You can choose a monthly frequency or a quarterly frequency. But for this demo, I'll go with weekly and direct debit option. You can see we have my next three payments. So I'll do a setup. Also, my direct debit subscription of £100 was successful, but you can see we have a pending status, and this is because direct debit and bank transfers are delayed payments and they take a couple of days to complete. So we start you off with a pending payment, and eventually, once your bank is done with the processing, we complete that transaction. We've also generated an invoice like before, and next up, we want to do a payment for a document. I would start off by what you've been used to toss. So with our new wallet system, you still have the option to pay with your card, which is the old system you've been using. So I'll do that demo, and then after that, do a quick demo to show you how to pay from your wallet. Once that is done, we can check our wallet. And as you can see, there was no debit on this account because we paid through card. We've also generated an invoice as well so that you can download and use. And next up, I will make a payment for a chaser using my wallet balance. You can see I have £50 on my account, and I would pay a 240 chaser, and after that my wallet should be deducted, a wallet transaction created, and an invoice generated for me as well. That is all done. You can see a document payment costs £2.40. My balance has been debited and an invoice created for me as well. A few other things you can do is you can update your subscription. Previously, I started with a direct debit subscription. We can also choose a new custom amount, do a card top up instantly, because for card payments, they are not delayed transactions and your wallet balance get credited instantly. Wallet top up worked, and under the hood, we've cancelled your direct debits. So this £100 we initially started off with would never get topped up because we've cancelled the subscription before your bank mandate was completed. You can also decide to cancel your subscription yourself at any point in time. Now you don't get debited anymore, and you can set up a payment at your convenience. That's the end of our demo today. I'm happy to take any questions or walk you through. You'll find more information on our frequently asked questions section of the website, and feel free to reach out to us if you have any troubles or need any assistance.